check this out. Today, we have access to take you into one of our sound stages. So, as we head indoors again to explore our Stage 50, just a brief reminder, folks, keep holding on tight to your belongings. You don't want to drop anything in here. And then remember to always remain seated on the tram for your safety. And take a look around. Y'all, this is one of our more unique sound stages. It holds our one and only permanent set, a subway station set. And different productions will just come inside here and switch up the signage, maybe give it a paint job, and it can play different metro stops all across the nation. So looking at our signs today, pretty clear. We are in San Francisco, Bay Area. Whoa, hold on. Oh boy. Folks, slight tremor, not to worry. They happen from time to time. I think we're in the... No, we're not. No, we're not, folks. This no longer feels like a simple tremor. This could be the big one. You just survived earthquake, a simulated high classics on the Richter scale. I know the trash, and we've been doing it since 1999, and we tribute to all those epic disaster movies that we were replacing here in the studio, mainly throughout the 1970s. So movies, for example, like Earthquake, that starred Charlton Heston.